National capital. Viewers, it's raining sops for the voters in Delhi ahead of the big Delhi Dangal. In the latest, the Aam Aadmi Party has announced 18,000 rupees per month for priests of temples and granthis of gurudwaras if the party is voted back to power in the upcoming elections. Now, the registration drive for this scheme began today from Delhi's Hanuman Mandir in Connaught Place. Arvind Kejriwal, Aam Aadmi Party convener, while announcing this scheme, had said that priests and granthis have been the custodians of our religious customs and serving the society selflessly. And Tejshri is now joining us live for more on this. Tejshri, over to you. Take us through what's really happening, because from today, Arvind Kejriwal was going to launch the registration drive of this particular scheme that is seeing a lot of criticism from the BJP, the Congress as well. What is happening right now?
Well, in fact, currently I am reporting from Connaught Place's Prachin Hanuman Mandir, where Arvind Kejriwal was supposed to come at 12 afternoon today, but there were protests over here within the premises of the temple of Prachin Hanuman Mandir at Connaught Place, where a group of priests have gathered. And not just that, later on the people from National Capital also joined the protest and they started criticizing Kejriwal. And not just that, but the slogans were also raised over here against Arvind Kejriwal. So on keeping in mind all these protests and the criticism that was underway here in the premise of the temple, the registration, Arvind Kejriwal went and started the registration at ISBT's Marghatwale Baba Mandir. Arvind Kejriwal did not come here at Connaught Place's Hanuman Mandir, but he went over there, and in fact in his social media post also he stated that he was supposed to come at Connaught Place, but he went at ISBT Marghatwale Ghat Baba Mandir because the BJP was not allowing him. BJP was trying to stop the beginning of the registration of Pujari Granthi Samman Yojana, and that is why he went there. And in fact he also stated that nobody can stop a Bhakt to meet his God, is what Arvind Kejriwal stated in his social media post. Now we'll have to see, that how this entire controversy or war of words escalates as far as this Pujari Granthi Samman Yojana is concerned, because certainly if we see back-to-back yojanas are being announced, say it be Mahila Samman Yojana, or you see, say it be Sanjeevani Yojana, and couple of days back, and yesterday it was yesterday announced this particular yojana, which is Granthi Pujari Samman Yojana, in which rupees 18,000 will be given to the priests. Now we'll have to see that how Aam Aadmi Party reacts to the kind of criticism that they have to face, because a group of section is asking that why not since past 10 years this particular yojana was implemented. The other group is in fact lauding the efforts and is saying that the past government did nothing. So on and on, there have been the criticism also and appreciation also. But if we talk about the political reactions as far as these yojanas are concerned, then you see not just the BJP, but the allies are also coming in front and in fact raising questions at Aam Aadmi Party. We also saw the allies like Congress and these the left parties also coming in front and also raising the questions so as to why the free schemes are being launched in the national capital, and it will just weaken the economic policies of the national capital, is what the parties are saying. However, Aam Aadmi Party continues their stand and say that they will the other parties, say it be BJP or for that matter Congress, they want to stop the schemes, and Congress is also acting like a B team of the BJP, is what Aam Aadmi Party has been alleging.
Well, we are seeing a political war of words over this particular issue. Tejshri, requesting you to stay on with us and on these SOPs that have been announced by the Aam Aadmi Party for Pujaris and Granthis. Now, Arvind Kejriwal, the Aam Aadmi Party chief, has given an open dare to the BJP. He has asked the BJP, if you have courage, then implement this particular scheme in 20 plus states where the BJP is in power. And he has, in fact, given this dare, this open challenge to the Bharatiya Janata Party. And this is the post by Aam Aadmi Party that came out a short while ago, viewers. It says, and I quote, BJP में हिम्मत है तो केजरीवाल जी की खुली चुनौती को स्वीकार करे. और खुली चुनौती, open challenge, what is it? Well, this is the open challenge of Arvind Kejriwal to BJP. It says, बीजेपी को केजरीवाल का ओपन चैलेंज, अपने 20 राज्यों में पुजारियों ग्रंथियों को 18,000 की जो सम्मान राशि है उसे आप दें. So this is now another word coming in from the the Aam Aadmi Party at a time when the BJP as well as the Congress Party have both called that this is yet another Jumla by the Aam Aadmi Party. Let me go across to my colleague Mohit Bhatt, who's joining us live for more on this. Mohit, any reaction from the BJP on this open challenge by Arvind Kejriwal? Okay, we'll go across to Mohit in just a bit, but viewers, this is the big story that we are breaking for you at this point in time. Now, Aam Aadmi Party has given an open challenge to the BJP as far as its Samman to Pujaris and Granthi scheme is concerned, which was announced by Aam Aadmi Party chief Arvind Kejriwal, in which 18,000 rupees per month will be given to them. And this is a big challenge that Aam Aadmi Party has given to the BJP. And we also heard many reactions coming in from various leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party asking the BJP to, implement this particular scheme in 20-odd BJP ruled states that it has in the entire country. We'll see whether the BJP has reacted to this or not. Of course, this particular scheme has led to many reactions from various political parties. BJP has sharpened the attack already on the Aam Aadmi Party. BJP has called it another Jumla. Meanwhile, Aam Aadmi Party has given an open challenge, like I mentioned just now, to the BJP. Listen in to the war of words.
पुजारियों और ग्रंथियों के खिलाफ क्यों आ गई है भारतीय जनता पार्टी मैदान में? इसका मतलब मानसिकता से ये लोग नफरतों से भरे हुए हैं। मानसिकता से ये भारतीय झगड़ा पार्टी है। इनको दिन रात झगड़ा करना है, नफरत फैलाना है। अरे केजरीवाल जी ने एक योजना की घोषणा की है, आप वो योजना 22 राज्यों में लागू करके दिखाइए। आप काम के नाम पे कंपटीशन कीजिए ना हमसे। काम कर नहीं पाते हो, विरोध करने के लिए पहले आ जाते हो। महिला सम्मान राशि होगा, उसका विरोध करेंगे। बस की फ्री यात्रा महिलाओं के लिए होगी, उसका विरोध करेंगे।
आज जब ये झूठे वादे करते हैं और ये कहते हैं कि हम पुजारियों को, ग्रंथियों को 18,000 रुपए प्रति माह देंगे, तो एक सवाल आता है सबके मन में, क्योंकि जो अभी तक तुष्टीकरण की राजनीति करते थे, जो मौलवियों को कहते थे कि हम 18,000 रुपए प्रति माह देंगे, उनको भी ठग लिया और 17 माह से जो 18,000 रुपए प्रति माह देने थे वो नहीं दिए।
And it's not just the BJP. In fact, viewers, Aam Aadmi Party's ally in the INDIA bloc, Congress too has slammed this scheme, calling it a political stunt for electoral gains. Congress netas say that the outgoing government is free to announce whatever it wants. Listen in.
Delhi's fiscal management has been a disaster over the last 10 years. There's no doubt about that. So before that, there were MCD employees who were not getting their salaries. Before that, there were education department contract employees who were not getting their salaries. So Delhi's fiscal story has been a total disaster in the last 10 years. Having said that, any outgoing government can announce whatever it wants. At the end of the day, the next government, and it won't be the same, it has to be a different government, will implement whatever it deems fit.
That when they are not in position to pay salary, whatever it is, to imams, and for say about 1.5 years, their salary had not been paid. And they Gharoud also yesterday is announcing to give salary to Granthi and Pujaris. What does it mean? That it's just hoax, making fool of the people.
Now, this scheme led to criticism of the Aam Aadmi Party from other allies of the Aam Aadmi Party in the INDIA bloc. Listen in.
अरविंद केजरीवाल ने 18,000 रुपये ग्रंथी और जो हमारे हिंदू धर्म के जो पंडित जी हैं उनके लिए वो देंगे सैलरी, हमें इस पर कोई आपत्ति नहीं। लेकिन ऐसे वक्त में जब दिल्ली के सारे इमाम और मुअज्जिन इस बात को प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं कि पिछले 17 महीनों से उनको कोई सैलरी नहीं मिली है, आप इस बात को नज़रअंदाज करके आप अपनी अनाउंसमेंट कर रहे हैं। आंखें और मुसलमानों के गाल पर एक तमाचा जड़ा है।